The number of disasters has only been growing during the past decade. Human mistakes, natural disasters, and ransomware attacks are all forcing business leaders to take business continuity planning seriously. Today, we'll define the difference between business continuity and disaster recovery plans and explain the main steps of creating both of them. So let's start with the terms. They're often used interchangeably, but in reality, there is a difference between them. A business continuity plan is a broad set of proactive actions used to ensure that a company's operations can be up and running all the time. It focuses on the business as a whole, but drills down to specific scenarios that create risk for critical operations. A disaster recovery plan refers to the reactive recovery steps following a disruptive event, such as lost data or failure of infrastructure. But it goes without saying that both plans are important to have in place because businesses face a wide range of issues that can cause downtime. Building a business continuity plan. There are several essential steps in building a solid business continuity plan. First, describe all business functions of the organization. Second, you need to perform a business impact analysis. Gather the information around all possible threats that your organization is vulnerable to and assess the risks and consequences. Then include all proactive measures the organization can take to protect from these issues. The next step is to define roles and responsibilities and make sure that the relevant teams are equipped to perform their respective roles. Further, you should describe an action plan in case proactive measures fail. Add change management elements to your plan. This is how you will solve the problems, manage the risks, and guarantee continuous processes. Next, include a testing schedule to check if the plan works in real life. And lastly, you should schedule regular reviews to update your business continuity plan on time. Building a disaster recovery plan. To create a disaster recovery plan, take into account these best practices. The first step in creating a plan is to describe your current resources. This includes not only what data is stored where, but it can include individuals with critical knowledge that's, not written down anywhere. The next step is to calculate the recovery time and recovery point objectives. Next, create a list of, possible disaster scenarios and prepare for those you're aware of, like floods or hurricanes that are typical for your region. Then prepare a list of resources and tools you will need for various disaster scenarios. Create an action plan. Include all reactive measures to be taken following a disaster. And after identifying all the processes and what information is stored where, it's time to back up all that data. After you're done, revise your plan one more time and schedule regular reviews and tests. A useful schedule, might be to test the whole system once it's first built, then a different directory every week, a full server once a quarter, let's say, and the whole data center once a year. So once you apply business continuity and disaster recovery plans to your unique case, you'll be able to work out a continuous approach to safeguarding your or your clients' businesses from downtime. If you want to learn more about disaster recovery best practices, check out our blog in the description below. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and have a great day. Bye.